My name is John Santoro. I'm the owner of Iron Horse Contractors in Raleigh, North Carolina. Iron Horse, we founded it in 2015, and we've been in business for the last 5 years. We are a turnkey site contractor. We offer grading, utilities, and the whole gamut, but we do have some subcontractors that we use to do our clearing, and we sub out our curb and we sub out our asphalt. Those are all subcontractors that we've worked with over the years. Out here today we have 4 pieces of Hyundai equipment. We have 2 wheel loaders, we have a sheep's foot roller, and we have a 330 Hyundai excavator. The 330 Hyundai excavator is installing utilities. That's actually on the drain line right now. And we have the loaders hauling pipe to the utility crews. We're out here in a subdivision in Knightdale called Rutledge Landing for Mungo Homes. Mungo is one of our biggest developers. Iron Horse Contractors has been out here for a little bit over a year now. This is the second phase of this project. The people at May RHI are second to none. The service, the quality, I mean, just everybody. The atmosphere, the attitude that they bring, it's what this industry needs. It means a lot when you know that you can count on somebody. I mean, in this industry, there's a lot of people that you can't count on. You know, and May RHI has always been there every time we need them. When it comes to service on our Hyundais, we rely on May RHI Hyundai to help out with that. Iron Horse just bought the 330 Hyundai that we have running out here today. We bought that because we had bought a previous 330 Hyundai 5 years ago. It was just a great machine for us. I mean, low cost maintenance, little downtime. It was a good machine for us. So we decided that we would go ahead and we'd buy another one. This morning when I got in there, it was very easy to set the controls to get to where you wanted to. I didn't have to fish and find or try to figure out things. Everything flowed. It's set up very well. I enjoyed running it. Iron Horse Contractors bought our first 740 loader from May RHI Hyundai 5 years ago, and that's what brought us to purchase more Hyundai equipment. It's good equipment, it's quality equipment, very, very competitive in the market, and we have probably the lowest downtime with our loaders out of any equipment that we have in our fleet. I would say that Hyundai loaders give us productivity, efficiency, and low cost maintenance and low downtime, which is what we need in this industry. When you're not moving, you're not making money. That's what the Hyundai Edge means to me.